In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp updates, custom emoji, and Gmail search. We'll start right in your browser. Open Google, type ClickUp, and click through to the official ClickUp website. Once you're in your workspace, we'll first create a custom emoji you can use in chat to make updates clearer and more fun. Open the More menu, then select Chat. In the message box, click the emoji icon to open the picker. To add your own emoji, click the plus sign. Choose Browse and select an image from your computer. After you pick the image, give your emoji a short, memorable name. This is the label you'll use to find it later. Then click Save Emoji. That's it. Your custom emoji is now available right inside the picker, and you can use it to react to messages or insert it into any chat thread. A quick tip: square images with simple shapes look best, and a small, high-contrast design will stay crisp at chat size. If you don't see it right away, try searching by the name you just set. Next, let's search your email without leaving ClickUp. This is great for staying focused while you reference conversations or confirm details in your inbox. Click your workspace menu in the upper left corner and choose Apps. Select Gmail. Here, make sure your ClickUp account is connected to Gmail. If you see a prompt to connect, follow it once to grant access. You only need to do this the first time. With Gmail enabled, click the Gmail icon. A Gmail panel opens right inside ClickUp so you can search your mailbox on the spot. Type a keyword, a contact name, or a subject line to pull up matching messages. You can also refine your search with familiar operators like from or subject to narrow things down quickly. This keeps your task context, chat, and email references in one place, which is especially helpful when you're updating a task or confirming requirements with your team. If results don't appear as expected, double-check that the correct Gmail account is connected and that you're searching the right terms. Keep your queries concise and specific for faster, more relevant matches. To recap, you went to Google, opened ClickUp, created a custom emoji through chat by using the emoji picker, the plus sign, browse, naming it, and saving it, and then enabled Gmail via apps so you can search your inbox right inside ClickUp. With these two workflows, your updates become more expressive and your email lookups stay effortless without switching tabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.